In this video, I will show you how you can make a website in Canva. So first of all, you just need to log in to your Canva account and then you just need to click on the search icon and search for websites. Now once you search for website, you can also search for a specific niche. Let's say you are in a clothing or e-commerce business, you can search for e-commerce website or anything like that. The suggestion will be on the top of your screen at the same time. So let's select any one of these as an example. Let's say I have a real estate business. So you just need to click on it, any one of the suggestions, and this will gonna show you many templates that you can choose from. As an example, let's go for this one. So before you finalize your selection, make sure to hover your mouse onto the particular template. This will gonna give you a preview of how many pages it contains. So after that, you just need to click on it and then again you can preview it how it will gonna look like. For me this is okay, so I will simply click on customize this template. This will take me to the editor where I can change every single thing according to my project. So now let's start with the basic thing like adding your particular logo. So remove the logo, and what you need to do is to simply go to the uploads and go to the images section and simply upload your particular logo. After that, you just need to select your particular logo and simply drag and drop your logo right in this place. This will automatically adjust its size and you just need to adjust it furthermore to suit the overall appearance. Make sure everything is within the basic margins. So next thing is, let's say I want to add a call to action button right in the place where a customer can easily view or purchase anything from my website. So this is kind of like in a flow, so you can again change it, let's say buy now or anything, call to action basically. Alright, so once you are done, you can again change the color of the background. You can simply click on the background and click on the colors and select your preferred color. In this case I will simply go for the red one, and now this is looking much better. Again, you can double click and change the title according to your will. You can also change the image of the background. If I change the image of this background, let me just do it really quickly. I will simply search for the image in the element tab. So this is looking much better, so I will simply make it like that. So this will gonna automatically cut down all the unnecessary parts. So let me just send it backward just like so, and let's change the text color to white or anything that is suiting the background. But for now the background was okay, so don't need to change for me. So now if I move forward, we have our another section which is about the company. Again, you can change the text and you can change the paragraph according to your will. You can also click on magic write to write your company info with the help of AI. If you don't want it, you can simply type whatever you want to go with. Again, you can replace this particular image, and everything that you are seeing right on this place is fully customizable. So you can change it everything according to the company, like color scheme, colors and text, all of that stuff. Now as you can also add another page if you are not satisfied with the default one. If you want to delete any one of these pages, you just need to click on it and click on the delete, and this is gonna delete that particular page. But for now, if I click on the publish website on the top right corner, you can also share it with your clients or friends if you want to take their opinion how the website is looking like. Otherwise, click on publish website. Now you will have couple of options like resize on mobile. Make sure that it is selected. As for the include navigation menu, it's up to you if you want to include it or not. Next thing is we have website URL. This is like a custom domain. If you have your own domain, you need to simply type that particular domain, and if it is available, this will gonna show you. But before that, make sure public settings are again set according to your will. Otherwise, click on publish website. Now this will take few seconds to prepare my design, and there you have it. We have successfully create our new website. If I click on view website, this will gonna show us something like that. I have my header on the top. I have all kind of features in my particular website. So that's the way of how you can create a website on Canva.